Have you ever felt exhausted, even after getting things done? Like something inside you still feels off? You might be busy, chasing goals, doing chores, and meeting deadlines. But sometimes, in the middle of all that, you forget one crucial thing: your inner peace. No matter how much you achieve, if your mind is tired and your heart is heavy, you won't feel pleased. That's where meditation comes in. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe for more calm, helpful videos just like this. Now, let's delve into something that has the potential to transform your life in a profound yet subtle manner: meditation. What is meditation? Meditation is a simple practice. It's a special time when you sit still and observe your thoughts. It's like giving your mind a peaceful break. You don't try to stop your thoughts. You just let them come and go, like clouds passing in the sky. And the best part? Meditation helps you feel calm inside, even when life outside gets loud and stressful. Why is meditation so important? Every day, we use our energy to think, talk, work, and solve problems. But we don't always give our minds time to rest. When we don't sleep inside, we feel confused, tired, and sometimes even sad or angry. Meditation gives your mind and heart a quiet space to relax. It brings peace to your thoughts. It helps you feel more alive, more focused, and more ready to enjoy life. It may only take a few minutes each day, but it can change how you feel in a big way. How meditation helps you. Meditation is simple, but it brings so many good things. It helps you learn more about yourself. It gives you new energy. It makes you more focused and clear. It enables you to feel happy and peaceful. It makes it easier to talk to and understand others. When you meditate, you're not trying to fix your life. You're just listening and watching what's going on inside. That's how real change starts. A simple meditation for beginners. Now, let's try a simple meditation you can do at home. You only need 10 minutes, a quiet place, and an open heart. Step 1. Find a quiet space. Look for a place where you won't be disturbed. It can be your room, your porch, or even your garden. Just make sure it's quiet. Sit down comfortably. You can sit in a chair, or cross your legs on the floor. You don't need to sit in a fancy way. Just make sure you feel relaxed and balanced. Step 2. Close your eyes. Gently close your eyes. It helps you stop looking at the outside world and turn your attention inside. When your eyes are closed, your mind becomes quieter. You start noticing your thoughts, your breath, and how your body feels. Step 3. Relax your body and mind. Now take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Let your shoulders drop. Feel your arms and legs getting heavy. Breathe slowly. There's no rush. Now watch what happens in your mind. Maybe thoughts come and go. That's okay. Just notice. Don't try to stop the flow. Don't follow your thoughts. Simply observe the clouds passing through the sky. Step 4. Repeat a peaceful word, mantra. To help your mind stay focused, you can quietly repeat a peaceful phrase. It is called a mantra. One good mantra you can use is from the Sanskrit language, Amram Hum, Maduram Hum. It means, I am immortal, I am blissful. You can say it softly in your mind. Amram Hum, Maduram Hum. Let the words move through you gently, like a river. It helps your thoughts slow down, and your mind becomes calm and still. Step 5. End your meditation. After about 10 minutes, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Rub your hands together to make them warm. Now place your hands over your face. Feel the warmth. Take one last deep breath. Open your eyes gently. You did it. You just gave your mind a gentle, healing break. When should you meditate? Try to meditate twice a day. Begin your day with peace. And once in the evening, to let go of stress before sleep. Even 10 minutes each time can make a big difference. What meditation does for you? If you do this every day, you may notice some significant changes. You'll feel calmer, even when things go wrong. You'll worry less and smile more. You'll be more focused at school or work. You'll feel kinder and patient with others. And most of all, you'll start to feel good inside, deep in your heart. Meditation isn't about being perfect or stopping your thoughts. It's about learning to sit with yourself and feel okay. It's about becoming friends with your mind. And in this friendship, you'll find peace, joy, and strength. So take time each day to sit, breathe, and listen. You don't need fancy tools, just you, your breath, and a little quiet time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos like this are posted regularly to help you stay peaceful and happy. You have everything you need inside you. Start today. Start small. Just breathe.